The impact of COVID-19 will continue for some time into the foreseeable future. Do you foresee any permanent changes to manufacturing post-pandemic?
Yeah, I mean, I do believe that we'll start to look at, obviously with every manufacturing community, you have an administrative community that supports them. I imagine we'll start to look at telecommuting, remote accesses more long-term than we have, because that's a piece of this we can control. I've already started having conversations with my fellow manufacturers as well as Alicia, our CEO at Faustin, about, how do we access this equipment remotely? Is there a way to do these setups virtually? Is there a way to? So I imagine it's going to force us as business leaders to look at how to run a manufacturing facility far differently than we ever have. That's my guess.
And how is it going to be different? You just talked about telecommuting, but
Yeah. So telecommuting is something all business sectors are familiar with now. We're doing it, right, Beth? But I mean, like a guy actually running his computer remotely through some sort of remote access to the equipment. Mm-hmm. Are we going to utilize robotics to set that equipment up, put that fixture on the machine? I think that this will force us to be innovative in a way that we've not ever had to be, because what they're saying is, okay, well, the fall's going to be way worse. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. I can only look at the data, but I have to assume now the worst.